Now let's see how to do this problem. Uh, P and Q be positive integers, so they are positive integers. Positive integers basically means natural numbers, because if you look at the integers, it will be like -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, like that. It keeps on going. Out of this, negative can be ignored, and also 0 is neither positive nor negative. So the positive integers means 1, 2, 3, 4, basically natural numbers. So they are positive integers satisfying p less than q. P is less than q, okay, and p plus q is equal to k. P plus q is equal to k. What is the smallest value of k that does not determine p and q uniquely? Okay, so we are looking for the smallest value of k. So for example, out of the options itself, the smallest value of k, which is given as 3, I'm going to place, instead of k, I'm going to put 3. Now it is saying that p and q are natural numbers, and p is, at the same time, p is less than q. So I have to try to figure out what are the values. If you look at the value, there is only one possible, that is p becoming 1, and q becoming 2. Because 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, p is less than q, all the conditions are satisfying. There is no other value which can give you this answer. We cannot put 0 plus 3 because 0 is not positive. They are looking for positive numbers. So if k is equal to 3, we are able to find out the values of p and q uniquely. No problem. So that is not the answer. We have to find out the value of k such that we are not able to find the value of p and q. So this is not the answer. Now let's try with 4. If I put k as 4, if k is 4, then the value of p and q might be 1 plus 3. It's a possibility. Yes, it is a possibility because p is still less than q. This condition is getting satisfied and addition is getting 4. 0 I cannot use. 2 plus 2, no, I cannot use this because this condition is getting wrong and there is no other value. So that basically means that even now I can determine the value of p and value of q uniquely. So this is also a possible value of k. Therefore this is also okay. We have to find the value which is not. Now if k is 5, if k is, let's say, 5, if k is 5, then let's see the values. Why is it not erasing? If k is 5, let's see the values of p and q. Now if you look at the values, there are multiple possibilities actually. 1 plus 4 is a possibility. Okay, p can be 1, q can be 4. This condition is met. This is also met. 2 plus 3 is also another possibility. Even now p is less than q. That means this condition is met. This condition is also met. The problem here is that now I cannot determine if p is if the answer of p and q is 1 and 4 or 2 and 3. There is two different answers. Therefore, I cannot determine the values of p and q uniquely. So the smallest value of k, which prevents me from determining the value of p and q uniquely, is when k is equal to 5. So this is an answer. So actually a logical problem, simple problem. Only thing is that you need to know what positive integers are. So let me just tell about that also. When you look at the integers are the numbers, normal numbers without the point values. So it will be like -3, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, all the numbers like this. Okay, these are integers. These numbers doesn't have any point value. If a number have point value, then this is not an integer. Now out of them, these numbers are known as negative integers. Negative integers. And these numbers are known as positive integers. Positive integers. Now if you look at our own 0, he is not positive, he is also not negative. He is neither positive nor negative. Okay, because negative and positive is like direction. If you are already at the place, then we cannot say any direction. Now there is some more definitions. If I say non-negative means the number is not negative. It can be 0, it can also be positive numbers. So this category is known as non-negative. negative numbers, or negative numbers nahi, non-negative integers. Now there is one more category that is known as non-positive integers. Okay, non-positive. Okay, I was supposed to. It's not erasing properly. Okay, non-positive integers. So non-positive integers means it should not be. It should not be negative. That, sorry, it should not be positive. That's it. It can be 0. It can be any numbers in this category. So this will be non-positive integers. So that's it. That's the entire category. So thank you. The answer for this problem is option C.